All right, guys, I hope you get a lot out of that last video that I showed you how to give it forward and onboard a friend into the CoopCrowd system. Now what I want to do is I want to show you how that new member of CoopCrowd can get 3 or more tokens so that they can do the exact same thing and give it forward to 3 friends. Now, there are 3 methods to do that. One, you can use Co-op Wallet to buy 3 tokens, which I'll show you in a moment. 2, you can send your new member 3 Co-op tokens in the event that they don't have a credit card or they don't have a third-party crypto wallet. Or 3, you can actually send the friend money, Co-op USD, from your account to their account so that they can actually go through the process and buy the tokens themselves if they have the funds in there. And that's kind of cool as well, because then they get an idea of how Co-op Wallet works and how efficient it is and how cool it is to actually buy the Co-op tokens from your wallet. So let me show you what we've got going on here. So, and by the way, I don't know whether you've noticed this. So when you hover over the Co-op logo on the video here, you can hit subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. All right, so I'm going to go to my Co-op tokens. Actually, I'm going to go to my Co-op wallet first, and I'm going to buy, I'm going to go to Co-op tokens, and I'm going to buy 3 Co-op tokens. So what I'm showing you here right now, it's the exact same thing, whether you're in my wallet or whether you're in your friend's wallet, it all works the exact same way. So you go over here and you want to buy, as you see, you have multiple choices here. You have you can buy the Co-op 250, you can buy the Co-op 25, you can even buy a combo. And I'm not going to talk about the Co-op 250 right now because this is about buying 3 Co-op 25 tokens. So you click on what you want here, right? So you want to buy Co-op 25 tokens, and you're going to buy 3 of them. All right. So I put 3 in there. I scroll down here. I simply hit next. So now from here, it gives me 3 different options to buy those 3 tokens. So you can use the Co-op wallet. And if you use the Co-op wallet and you have funds in there, the cost will be $84.84. The $84.84, it's $84 for the 3 tokens and 1% to buy the tokens and complete that transaction using Co-op wallet. You can also use Co-op cryptocurrency, which is super, super cool as well. When you use Co-op cryptocurrency, it means that you already have a third-party wallet. You simply click on that link and it'll create an invoice for you. The other way that you can buy it is you can use a credit card. That's right, folks. You can even buy in now using a credit card. So in this particular case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first of those 3 steps. And I'm going to actually send 3 Co-op tokens to that new person that I just registered. So I'm still in my Co-op, in Co-op tokens. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing when I did when I was onboarding the person. I'm going to click on assign tokens, right? I'm going to put the person's, that's not it. I'm going to put the person's donor key in there, except I don't know what it is. So let me just put in any donor key right now. All right, so I'll put in that donor key. I'm going to choose $28 tokens. I'm going to choose the number 3. I'm going to click and I'm going to hit confirm. And just like that, that new member has 3 tokens so that they can also give it forward. Now, let me go back to, again, the buy 3 Co-op tokens. All right, I'm going to, once again, I'm going to put 3 in here. All right, I'm going to buy 3. And I want to show you something because when we go to this next page here, as you see, if you use the wallet, there's only a 1% fee. However, if you use the credit card option or the cryptocurrency option, you see here, it's actually increased to $136.05. No, we are not charging you more money to buy those 3 Co-op tokens. What we're doing is we are trying to ensure that whatever third party you use to buy those to buy those 3 tokens, that you actually get those 3 tokens. we had a $20 or a 20% fee, and some exchanges, I won't name them, but some exchanges, they charge you $25 or $30 to send cryptocurrency from their wallet to another wallet. Now, if they're going to charge you $30 to send the funds from their wallet to another wallet, and then you also have the network fee, which is, both of those fees aren't co-op fees, but you also have that network fee, then it could cost you $40 to send those three, to buy those three tokens. Now, here's something that I want you to think about, is that that is a one-time fee. So you don't have to keep paying that over and over and over again. It's a one-time fee to get you those three tokens and get you started in CoopCrowd so that you can give it forward to your three friends. So when you click on this, it opens up another screen here. I'm hoping that it shows you this other screen on my screen share here. So as you see it created a cryptocurrency invoice, a co-op pay invoice. And right now it's on Tether, because Tether is a stable currency that we use. And you can use Tether to buy those three tokens. However, maybe you want to use Ethereum. You can choose Ethereum. And as you see, it creates a brand new invoice for you to use Ethereum. What I'm going to do right now, though, is I'm going to, and as you see, we've got over 100 different ways in which you can buy in and get those three co-op tokens. So I'm going to go back over here to Tether. And it shows that you need to send $140.05. Now, how do we get to that $140.05? So it's $84 right here, right? You see it right here, $84 for those three tokens. We've got this $50 safety surplus, which is put there, as I said, to make sure that you get the three tokens and your invoice is not paid short. All right, so that $50, let's say that there is, you know, you're using one of the big exchanges and it only costs that $4 for the networking fee to make that exchange. That $50 is going to end up back in your wallet because it's not going to use any of that money. So you're not losing that money. It's there just for your protection. So if there is no extra fees, that $50 ends up in your co-op wallet. It is your money and you can use it. You also see here that we got a 1.5 processing fee. So that's $2.01. So if you have a cell phone and you have your third-party wallet on your cell phone, you just open it up, right? And I'm not going to go to one of my, well, you just open it up and you go to whatever exchange you're using, whether it's Trust Wallet, blockchain, Binance, whatever exchange it is that you're using, and you scan that QR code and boom, within a nanosecond, that transaction starts. And you can see right here, it says awaiting deposit. That will change from awaiting deposit to saying confirm, right? So it'll confirm 1, 2, 3, however many confirmations it takes. And then boom, those tokens will end up in your wallet. Now, there's some instructions here, right? So if you're using a third-party wallet and you can't scan it with your phone, then you've got to do two things when you get to that third-party wallet. One, you've got to copy that exact address. So just do a copy of that exact address and also look to see how much it is, $140.05. When you get to that third-party wallet, put the $105.05 if you're using Tether, for example. If you're using ETH, then obviously you're not going to copy 140 ETH. You're going to copy 0.000. You're going to copy that, and you're going to copy that into the amount field on that next page. You're also going to copy this address, right? Do a copy and paste, boom, you got it there. Once you've got that, put that into the address for the withdraw and wait a few minutes and boom, you will have your three co-op tokens in your co-op dashboard. Now I'm going back over here once again, because I'm also going to show you how you can use credit cards. Yes, credit cards, that's right. So you click on here. Again, this takes you to your wallet, right? So it's the exact same thing as when you were using a third-party crypto wallet, save and except for you're still going to copy the amount, and I recommend that you leave it on Tether for this. You're going to copy the amount, you're going to copy the wallet address, and you're going to click here. When you click here, as you see, this is where you put in the $140, right? And you are not going to use BTC. You're going to click on this and you're going to scroll down and you are going to find Tether, and it's the ERC20. So you put Tether in there. This is easy, man. Watch this. So you put in the $140 and make sure you put the correct amount. So you put in that $140 there. Compare and buy. So this is really cool as well. So when it says compare and buy, watch what happens when it gets to this next page. So it gives you options, right? So you can buy your cryptocurrency from any of these other wallets here. Now, as I said, some third parties have fees that we have no control over. And you put in $140, but as you can see, they're all paying you pretty much the same amount. This one's charging you $10, this one's charging you $11, $12, and this one's very expensive, and they're charging you $18. So that's, if they charge you $10, 40 of that $50 from that safety surplus is going to end up back in your wallet for you to use or withdraw or do whatever you want, because it's your money. So in this particular case, I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on, you can click on banks, you can click on any, you can click on anything you want, right? So I'm going to click on banks, all right? So now remember, I said you need to copy that cryptocurrency invoice. So you copy that cryptocurrency ID. So you put the ID in there. You've already put the amount in there. So now you put the ID in there and you click on finish transaction. Now it takes you over here. So you have to put in your email address. You put in your phone number. You click on I have read. Right? And I'm not going to put my email address and my phone number in there, but you click on I have read and you click confirm. Once you click confirm, it now takes you where you enter your credit card information. Now, beware, sometimes, depending on the amount that you're using, you might have to provide a copy of your driver's license or your passport, but you have to do that with any system, whether it's PayPal or Venmo or any of those other systems. You need to do that because they are giving you money. It's not that they're trying to invade on your privacy. They are giving you money. So they need to confirm that you are a real person and that you know the details of your identity. So that's it, folks. Those are the 3 ways in which you can onboard a member into your CoopCrowd ecosystem and get them busy with it so that they can start living a rich life as well. So this is David T. Rosen. Thanks for watching. Let's get busy with it.